All right, today we are diving deep into one of the buzziest skincare treatments out there, the Hydrafacial. I'm sure you've seen it popping up all over your social media feeds, but what exactly is it? How does it work? And most importantly, is it actually worth the hype? Let's get into it.
You know the look I'm talking about, right? That fresh, dewy, just got back from a spa weekend glow. We're all chasing it. But it feels like to get there, you need this crazy, complicated routine with a shelf full of different bottles and potions.
Well, this is exactly where the Hydrafacial comes in. It has exploded in popularity, especially across Europe and the US, because it makes a really big promise to cleanse, exfoliate, extract, and hydrate your skin all in one single super fast session.
So, what is this thing, really? It sounds a little too good to be true, but it's all based on some seriously clever technology.
Okay, at its heart, a hydrofacial is a very specific type of what's called hydrodermabrasion. Now, you might have heard of microdermabrasion, which kind of feels like sandblasting your face. This is different. It uses a patented vortex technology. Think of it like a tiny, gentle tornado for your pores. And the real key here is that word on the screen, simultaneously. As one part of the device is clearing out all the gunk, another part is pushing powerful, nourishing serums deep into your skin. And this right here is why it completely took off. There is literally no downtime. You could get one on your lunch break and go right back to work. You see the results right away, and it's so gentle that it works for almost everybody. It's really the perfect storm of being super efficient and incredibly effective. Okay, so let's walk through exactly what happens when you're in the chair. It's a really well-designed process that unfolds in 4 main stages. So first up, the device cleanses and gently exfoliates the top layer of your skin. Next, a very mild acid peel helps loosen up any debris that's stuck in your pores. This isn't like a heavy-duty chemical peel that leaves you red for days. It's super gentle. Then comes the really satisfying part. A painless little vacuum suctions out blackheads and all that other stuff. And to finish it all off, your fresh, clean skin gets a huge dose of moisture and customized serums. Now, that famous hydrofacial glow isn't just a feeling. There's some real science happening on a cellular level that makes your skin look so good. So, what's actually going on in there?
Yeah, you leave feeling squeaky clean, for sure. But the real benefits go way deeper than just the surface. The entire treatment is designed to kickstart responses in the lower layers of your skin.
So, on the top layer, your epidermis, you're clearing away all those dead skin cells, which instantly makes your skin look brighter and feel smoother. But deeper down, in the dermis, that gentle suction and the peptides in the serums are waking up your fibroblasts. Think of fibroblasts as tiny factories that build collagen and elastin, the stuff that keeps your skin firm and bouncy. On top of all that, the process boosts blood flow, bringing more oxygen to your skin cells. It's basically a full workout for your face. Now, you might be wondering if this is a one-size-fits-all kind of deal. And one of the biggest selling points of a hydrofacial is that it's actually not. It is super customizable.
The real personalization happens in that last step, the infusion. Your provider can create a custom cocktail of serums, or what they call boosters, to go after your specific concerns, whether that's fine lines, dark spots, or breakouts.
And this chart shows you exactly how it works. If you're concerned about aging, you'll get a booster packed with peptides. If you're trying to fade sunspots, they'll use a brightening one with vitamin C. For oily or congested skin, salicylic acid is the hero ingredient. And if you have sensitive skin, there are even calming boosters with things like aloe to soothe redness. So, who's the ideal candidate? Well, honestly, it's great for almost anyone who just wants a major boost. It's fantastic if your skin is feeling dull or dehydrated, if you're seeing those first fine lines, or if you're dealing with clogged pores. And because it's safe for all skin types, it has become the #1 go-to treatment for getting that picture-perfect glow right before a big event. Okay, so you did it. You got the treatment, you're looking in the mirror, and you're glowing. What now? Let's talk about what you can really expect, and just as importantly, how to make that beautiful glow last. Right after your session, your skin is going to look plump and smooth and feel incredibly hydrated. That's the instant gratification. But the real magic, the long-term changes, come from consistency. With regular treatments, you can actually see structural improvements in your skin. Things like fewer fine lines, less hyperpigmentation, and better firmness, all because you keep stimulating that all-important collagen. The aftercare is super simple, but you really can't skip it. For the first day or so, just be gentle with your skin. but the absolute #1 most important rule: sunscreen. You've just revealed a fresh new layer of skin, and it's extra sensitive to the sun. Protecting it with a high-quality, high SPF sunscreen every single day is non-negotiable if you want to protect your investment. When you think about it, the Hydrafacial really signals a bigger shift in skincare towards these super efficient multitasking treatments. It kind of makes you wonder, right? As this technology gets smarter and more accessible, what's coming next? Are we headed for a future where we have devices at home that can give us these totally customized multi-step facials whenever we want? One thing's for sure, the future of skincare is looking more personalized and more powerful than ever.